Namaste everyone. Welcome to IKM, a spiritual journey towards oneness. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 5 from sloka number 11. Kayena manasa buddhya kevalairindriyairapi yoginah karma kurvanti sangantyatvatma shuddhaye. Now, karma yogis act with the body, mind, and intellect, and also the senses only for the purpose of purification, for they have abandoned any kind of attachment. Yuktah karma phalan tyaktva shantimapnoti naishtikim ayuktah kamakarena phale sakto nibadhyate. A person who is disciplined in Karma Yoga renounces the fruit of action and attains ultimate peace. A person who does not practice Karma Yoga remains attached to the fruits of his labor and is entangled by his actions. सर्वकर्माणि मनसा सन्न्यस्यास्ते सुखौ वशी नवद्वारे पुरे देहि नैव कुर्वन्न कारयन्. Mentally renouncing all actions, the embodied one happily resides with self-control in the city of 9 gates, neither acting nor causing action to be performed there. न कर्तृत्वं न कर्माणि लोकस्य सृजति प्रभुः न कर्मफलसंयोगं स्वभावस्तु प्रवर्तते. Now, in this sloka, the Lord neither creates a person's agency of action, nor his actions, nor even the result of the actions. All this is done through the person's conditioned nature. नादत्ते कस्यचित् पापं न चैव सुकृतौ विभुः अज्ञानेनावृतं ज्ञानं तेन मुह्यन्ति जन्तवः. The all-knowing God is not responsible for anyone's good or evil action. Human beings are deluded because their knowledge is covered by ignorance. ज्ञानेन तु तदज्ञानं येषान्नाशितमात्मनः तेषामादित्यवज्ञानं प्रकाशयति तत्परम्. The knowledge which repels all ignorance about the self also reveals like a shining sun one's true relationship with God. तद्बुद्धयस्तदात्मानः तन्निष्ठास्तत्परायणाः गच्छन्त्य पुनरावृत्तिं ज्ञाननिर्धूतकल्मषाः. Those whose mind and faith are all in God and whose sin is cast off by their knowledge and devotion to God go to the place where there is no rebirth. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini Shunishchaiva Shvapakecha Panditas Samadarshinaha. Now in this sloka, for the wise, a learned and cultured Brahmana, for him, a cow, an elephant, and even a dog or a dog eater, all are same. Ihaiva tairjitas sargah yesham samye stitham manah nirdosham hi samam brahma Tasmad Brahmani te sthitah. Even in this world, rebirth can be conquered by keeping alive in impartial mind, just as the Absolute is faultless and impartial, so will those who conquer rebirth become established in the Absolute. न प्रहृष्येत् प्रियं प्राप्य नोद्विचेत् प्राप्य चाप्रियम् स्थिरबुद्धिरसम्मूढः ब्रह्मविद् ब्राह्मणि स्थितः. Now, one who knows the Absolute and whose intelligence is fixed on Absolute is not moved to pleasure or pain by pleasant or unpleasant happiness.